Good evening, welcome back to the channel where we compound 10k by 1% every day. It's day 21, it's the end of the day. We started with an equity of 22k and what a day it has been. This is why I wanted to do a quick update on the trades I took. I'm not sure if I'm gonna remember everything, but let's view a quick trade disclaimer and then first watch this. So in the morning I did an update right there and I need to put this like that. So we then had this range with a CC of that move right above us. That was the one that was keeping us down right there. And I talked about if this is claimed, then we probably could expect at least a move up for a swing failure pattern or get to that bigger resistance zone, and that is exactly what we did, and an amazing drop followed. And I actually took a short here. I took some profits and I shorted again there and then took a big loss, but in the end I will show you it's not really a problem. Let me tell you why I took profits over there. If we move this range, so we broke out of this range. This was then from this move to that move, the 0.8 0.8 and somewhat, but we went down. I took profits over here, not everything, then got stopped out and I got back in way too early. But this is amazing because we then back tested this range. There were a lot of shorts opening here and we didn't move, so that was a first heads up that we might get some follow through, and in the end we did have an amazing rise. That here I shorted. I took the loss over there. It was a 1k loss or something, and then we shorted again. So we started with 22k and let's watch the account right now. The equity is at 29.4. So as you can see, we shorted Bitcoin over there. I actually haven't taken any profits on this drop because there was just no strength in the market for a move up. ES was moving heavily down. Let's see that. ES was moving down, down, down. So there wasn't really a reason to take profits. So I didn't. So this is the loss that we took before this rise. And then I took some shorts on Bake. First from the high. Let's see that. First from the high and took complete profits. That was before Bitcoin rose. So I then closed out completely, and later on in the day I got back in. I don't really like the place where I got in, but I probably should do this. But we got another $800 from that previous trade from here to there. Then we closed out completely and we got back in there. Ape hit some profits on the trades of yesterday or 2 days ago. We let the rest run. We got into Tron that was rising up, so we started shorting, and this might just break even or go down. I don't really care about this trade. If it gets stopped out, then that's fine for me. Same with Sia coin. We just got in a small position because it rose up. We did get in a new position on comp after we got stopped out. This one is still in progress, and it's also one that I don't really care about. We did get into theta, also perfectly on the top, and that one has had first take profits, and I actually do want that one to go down right now. Loopring, the trade of yesterday, has hit profits. We took a short on XEM. Also happy with that one. We were a bit late, but eventually it went our way, and we took our first profit below these lows. So that's that. We got into a short on GRT also because it showed it up, and we waited for this because the order flow was just so bullish, and I first wanted to get in here, but I had a feeling that we would move up first, and after this rejection I got in, and I wanted to do a bigger position, but yeah, this is how the position turned out. Then we also took a big loss on LPT. Where is it? Oh, let's continue with the list. We got into a short on Alice. We're very happy with that one. It's close to taking first profits. SNX still hasn't hit that first take profits. LPT, this is the one. So let's see. I actually shorted right here, and then took a loss on this wick. There was also a loss of around 1k. Then it went up, and as soon as it got back, let's see that on TradingView for a second. LPT. So we had a CC over here and the speed fan. That was the last resistance on the chart. We could have taken that daily, but yeah, we did. And as soon as I saw this rejection, I got in. Still above the CC, which is nice. And then I took some profits at here, and I already took another profit because it was a 28k position, and I'm happy to have covered a lot of the loss that we took. GRT just hits its first take profits, so that's good as well. I'm very happy with the Bitcoin position. It's 4k that we made. It was a bit of a risky position, but I'm very happy that we did it. Then did I do anything else? I did traded KNC as well, and now the position is so KNC. We did have a short running from here. Today we rose up close to my entry, and I re-shorted this one. Took profits over here, got stopped out. Then I shorted it again here. I didn't get stopped out there, but as soon as we got back in the range, I actually closed it. Let's see that for 400 after we took some profits today earlier. Then the next short was in loss, and now we're in a smaller position again in the top of the range. I know that there is a weekly at 520, and the swing failure would be 550 of the all-time high, so I now got into a safer position that I'm willing to compound more. We did get back into Digibyte as well. That one was stopped out. FXS finally also took hit its profits, and we did take another loss on XRM, and then got back in. Our stop loss wasn't hit a second time, and yeah, maybe it will be another loss, but we're fine with that. And I think that is everything. Oh, I also traded Kava. Let's see. Yeah. So early in the day I shorted this one, and I actually closed the whole position over there because then Bitcoin was rising, and I thought, okay, this might go back to entry, and it never did, and I never got back in because I was eyeing this VWAP and it never came back to there. So let's see. This is all today. So we actually took a loss and then some profits, and yeah, that's how the whole day went. ZRX is is one that we also are trading, but not a big position. And I think that is everything that I did today. Yes. So our equity is now almost at 30k. A lot of it is still in positions, of course, and if Bitcoin starts to move up and I haven't taken any profits, well, then we're gonna be almost back to 22, but that's fine. We're happy to let these run. I actually, like I said, I'm still looking for hitting 40k again, 39.6 maybe, and I'll take it from there. We might then move up or fall deeper down, so I'm taking profits over there and I'm happy with that. If it shoots up, then that's that. So that's the quick updates. For now, I'm happy to stay short, and it was a very busy day. I hope you learned something with me explaining these trades, and good night. For me, the day is ending.